which is very important tool is a Google Maps. Now what is the Google Maps? So it is the map based service or map service provided by Google, which includes satellite images of that particular area, 360-degree view, street view, and many more. So Google Maps is providing many things and people are using every day in their daily life. So many applications or many mobile apps and services using the Google Map for location, route finding, businesses, hotel findings, and many more. So Google Maps is very much useful tool and we are using in day-to-day life. So I will show you how to use Google Maps effectively. So this is the Google Maps. So from here you can select the Google Maps. Suppose this is Google Maps, click on it, Google Maps. Searching Pune, Maharashtra, then it can search the Pune place. So this is the Pune, it is search. Now here you will have the quick facts related to that place, then various other things also that I will show you. Now next use of this Google Map is to find out the route. If suppose I want to find the direction from Pune to Mumbai, then I will have this particular thing as a direction. So click on it, choose the starting point. Suppose I am selecting Mumbai. So it can give you the route between the Pune and Mumbai. So here you can see this is nothing but the car where you can drive, that is the route on which you can drive. This is nothing but the train route, this is nothing but the walking, this is the cycling, and this is the flights. So if you click on this driving, so this is nothing but the way or the path it is shown. So click on this details. So here you will have the details, means get on something, then follow something. So detail how much time, how many kilometers you are following. Then if you click on this, this is nothing but the train. So this is nothing but the train route. So which are the trains available, how you will go, means this will help you. Then this is nothing but walking. So it is nothing but the walking related route. So here we are not going to walk, but in shortest distance we will find a walking distance, because sometimes the one way route or due to some other reasons we are selecting the walking route instead of the driving route. So in some cities we will have the shortest route, which will be by walking. So this is nothing but how the walking route will be displayed. Now suppose Pune is searched, so you can search nearby, click on nearby. So nearby Pune restaurants you want, you can click on restaurant to see the various restaurants nearby the Pune. Hotels, so I am clicking on hotels. So on Google it will show you the hotels available near to the Pune and with various prices. So Google is helping into this, giving the direction from this Mumbai to Pune. Then there are various options available. You can avoid the highways, you can avoid the tolls, then distance, automatic, miles in kilometers. So if suppose I don't want highways, so I will click on it, so that route will be modified. So route will be modified and you can get the route without highways. So this is also some features available. Then here you can see. So here this is nothing but high traffic and this is nothing but less traffic. So click on satellite view. Earlier was the map view, this is the satellite view. So you can see the satellite view also through this map. So this is the satellite view. You can click on map view, so you will get the map. Mumbai and Pune, if you want in between some other destination, or you want to go to somewhere else, suppose Nashik, then it will have Pune and then Nashik. So it will calculate the distance. If you remove this Pune, then directly Mumbai to Nashik will be displayed. So those are nothing but some facilities provided by the Google Map to have various things. If suppose I am going from Mumbai to Pune, so it will show the direct route. If suppose I am moving from Mumbai, then Pune, and then Nashik, then you can calculate what is the total distance and how you can reach, or what is the route between the two states or two cities. Now this is the satellite imaginary or satellite view of the places. So you can see any place by zooming it up to the 10 meter or 5 meters. So this is the distance, this much distance is 5 meters. So that much you have zoom map. See, so this is nothing but the way where you can have the 2D or 3D view. So I click on it, so it will be as a 3D view. You can see this is the 3D view. If you click on it, it is the 2D view, 2D and 3D. So click on 3D view, then so this is nothing but click here. So click on this is nothing but street view or photosphere. So here round shape is this photosphere where the images are available. So you can click on that images. So you can click on this.